Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, the alphabet, letter I.
I's for iguana.
Iguanas have a third parietal eye on top of their heads, which can detect changes in light and help them sense predators.
I is for Istanbul.
Istanbul was formerly known as Byzantium and then Constantinople before adopting its current name. It's the only city in the world located on 2 continents.
I for Indian fig, prickly pear.
The Indian fig cactus is not only known for its fruit, but also for its petals, which are edible and often used in Mexican cuisine.
I is for ice.
Antarctica contains about 60% of the world's fresh water in the form of ice. Amazing!
I is for island.
Greenland is the world's largest island.
I is for insects.
There are over 1 million species of insects, making them the most diverse group of animals on Earth.
I is for internet.
The first message ever sent over the internet was LO in 1969.
I is for igloo.
Igloos are built from blocks of snow and can maintain an inside temperature of around 0 degrees, even when it's much colder outside. Brr. Freezing.
I is for ink.
The first known use of ink was by the ancient Egyptians around 4,500 years ago.
I is for illusion.
Optical illusions can trick the brain into seeing things that aren't really there, demonstrating how complex and fascinating human perception is. Did you like the video? What about subscribing the channel?